Welcome to Lesson 10 in our Safe at Home Visual Journal series. Where do you miss going? Today students are going to create a sketch of a place they miss going during the coronavirus and write a journal reflection explaining the significance. We're going to start by planning, we'll sketch, and we'll end with a journal reflection. Please post any questions that you may have at any time in the comments section. I will be live for discussion and to answer questions during art class on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 to 12:30 p.m. and again during my office hours on Monday through Thursday from 3 to 3:30 p.m. In this distance learning unit, we're creating a visual journal to reflect on our experiences and record a historical primary document of this time that we're living through. Our essential question this week is, what do you miss about life before the quarantine? Our drawing prompt today is, where do you miss going? Think about the places you'd like to go before the coronavirus. Where's somewhere that you loved going and now miss during the stay-at-home order? What is a place that you cannot go, but you miss? So one of my favorite things to do is to sketch at the beach. And though you can go to the beach now, at least some beaches that are open, you can't go and just sit at most of them. You need to be actively moving. So going to the beach and sketching seems like, for now at least, it might be a little bit out of the question. For now, I'm drawing from this photograph of Huntington Beach with my sketch that I had done on site. I'm kind of reworking the sketch a little bit based on the photograph and trying to create a little bit more of an interesting, more fun composition. I'm reworking my perspective a little bit, some of the angles and the proportion. I'll just try to keep my sketch kind of brief and loose, and then I'll finish this off with my Winsor Newton pocket watercolor set and water brush, which are tools that I usually use when I go to the beach. Let's clean up some of the stray lines and then we're ready for color. So I'm basically just going to kind of wash in some colors. I want to try to keep this one a little bit loose and kind of expressive and fun. For most of my drawing so far in this series, I've spent about an hour and a half or maybe an hour on each drawing individually. For this one, I'm taking a little less time and spending somewhere between 35 and 40 minutes. So all these videos are a little bit sped up in order to keep the videos on the shorter side. So I washed the sky in with a nice cool cerulean blue, and I'm going in now and adding Naples yellow to the sand, which is a nice warm color, creating a nice warm and cool contrast. And while the paper's still wet, I'm going to apply some yellow ochre and burnt sienna to apply some texture to the sand. Mixed up some blue-green for the ocean, and I'm going to try to keep the waves a little bit more simple in this one. Now for some of the details. Now we'll refine some of the textures and some of the shadows. So I've had some fun and enjoyed drawing this one, but I really do miss the beach and I can't wait to get back out there again on the sand and draw a scene like this in real life from the beach. I also can't wait to see what you come up with your sketch. Here's our journal questions for today. Where do you miss going? Why? What is it about this place that makes you miss it? When do you think you'll be able to go again? If you're still unsure how to post a seesaw, please see this video or email me directly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to keep up with all of our lessons.